Hey everyone, so today's video is on how to make a black t-shirt look good, so I really hope this helps you, and let's get into it. So the plain black t-shirt I'm wearing throughout this entire video is from ASOS, and then the jeans I'm wearing are from Calvin Klein. I wanted to start with the basics, so I like to either tie my t-shirt up or tuck it in because I just feel like it flatters you more, gives you more of kind of like a shape, and also works with all of the looks I'm going to be showing you. I actually made a video about all of these little tricks, so I'll leave it at the end of this video if you want to check it out. A belt is another good way to dress up a basic black t-shirt outfit. You can get so many in different styles and colours, and it's a great way to add some personality and detail to your look without any effort. I'll leave a link to every item I show in this video in the description, so just click show more if you want to check anything out. So the first way I would dress up this basic look would be to add a bomber jacket. This one is from All Saints, and I think a bomber jacket is a great way to make your outfit more interesting and add some colour into your look. Personally, I think the khaki goes really well with the black and blue shades in this outfit, so if you're not massively into colour but fancy something other than black, then this is a great option. Another way to dress up the look would be to add a check shirt or a denim one. This one is from Misguided. There's two ways I like to style my shirts. I think tying it around the waist is really flattering and is an especially good way to dress it up in the summertime, but even just wearing it over the top of your t-shirt I think looks good too, and again just makes it that tiny bit more stylish. Classic black and white outfits can look really chic, so it might be an idea for you to style your black t-shirt with a pair of white jeans, trousers or a skirt. In this look, I've styled them with a denim jacket from Topshop. I think the denim blue is such a nice contrast with the white and black. You could wear it over your shoulders or just normally over the top of your t-shirt. Another idea would be to wear a black leather jacket with this look instead. This just adds to the whole black and white look, and I also think switching the denim jacket to a leather one just gives a completely different, more edgier feel to it. An all black outfit is not only slimming, but I think when you put it on you just feel so classy. So one of my favourite ways to style an all black outfit is to wear a leather jacket over the top. Again, this one is from All Saints, so I'll leave a link to it in the description. Instead of a leather jacket, you could wear a camel coat. This is such a good piece to have in your wardrobe. It looks so chic and keeps you warm too. This one is from Topshop. I'm not sure if they do this exact one, but I know they release a similar one every year, so I'll leave a link to it down below as well. This last jacket I am in love with is from a brand called Saison, which makes sustainable clothing, but I just love how it ties at the waist. I just wanted to show you a couple of options so you can see how easy it is to completely transform an all black look by changing your jacket. If you don't have many jackets, you could also use scarves to switch up your look. So I've got this oversized grey one from ASOS, and I'm just putting a belt around my waist. Doing this instantly dresses up your look and gives you a completely different outfit just by using a few accessories. So if you have lots of scarves, you could definitely make lots of outfits out of them. You can also wear your black t-shirt under a two-piece or a dress. This is actually a two-piece I got from Miss Selfridge, but adding the black t-shirt underneath just gives a completely different look and makes it more suitable for autumn winter. You could add a pair of tights with this and a jacket and you'd be good to go. I like to wear my black t-shirt tucked into a denim skirt. That on its own is a great look, but you can also add a blazer over the top like this one from Vera Moda and it just transforms it. If you wanted to dress up the look even more though, you could switch the trainers for a pair of knee-high boots. This just gives the outfit a completely different vibe and shows how easy it is to take the look from day to night. Which brings me on to how easy it is to create night looks with your black t-shirt too. So here I'm wearing it with a pair of leather look trousers from ASOS, I'll leave a link to them in the description, and a pair of black strappy heels from Aldo. These are a great alternative for a skirt at night if you don't feel comfortable wearing one but you still want to look dressed up. Another way to dress up the t-shirt for a night look would be to tuck it into a leather skirt. This is a faux leather one from Misguided, and over the top I've just put on this colourful tweed blazer from River Island. Blazers are such a good way to dress up your look, add colour and take it from day to night. If you're not massively into colour, this is another great alternative tweed blazer which is also from River Island. This just gives you such a mix of textures with the leather and the tweed, which is exactly what you need when you're wearing an all black look. If you're still unsure as to how to make your black t-shirt look good, you could focus more on your hair and makeup. By adding something like a red lip, this can completely change your look again and make even the most basic of outfits look chic. Adding jewelry can also have the same effect. Things like bracelets, necklaces, chokers or earrings can just add detail and uniqueness to your outfit. And finally, my last tip would be to wear your favourite perfume, because smelling good can instantly make you feel so much more confident and just finishes it off perfectly. So that is it everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did, because it helps me out so much and also lets you know when I next upload. And yeah, have a great day and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Bye guys.